So here's presenting The Pearl by Oro Realty. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Pearl by Oro Realty, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is also exactly over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now, coming over to the project overview, you see this project is constructed on 8.54 acres of land parcel featuring 7 towers with ground plus 27 to 33 floors having 4 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. And this is going to be your entire connectivity. So from that side, you easily get connected to your Hi-Tech City area, your Hi-Tech City metro station and other places. Now when we talk about connectivity, the Nexus Mall is just 3.2 kilometers away from here. The Hi-Tech City metro station is 2.4 kilometers away and the Yashoda Hospital is just 0.5 kilometers from here. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. So first over here you have your grand clubhouse, which is going to be 62,000 square feet, which is again of 3 level. And then over there, if you see, you have your indoor and outdoor sports court. Then you also have your outdoor gym for adults and a lot more. Coming over to your super built up area, so for 4 BHK Sky Mansion, it is going to be 5,400 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain complete project details, will show you the pricing and the payment plan as well. You will also be taken at the sample flat apartment and at the site as well, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Pearl by Oro Realty, which is located opposite to IKEA in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.